How to cancel an order on Shop app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel an order on the Shop application, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to go ahead and open up the Shop application on your device, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page automatically where you would see details about your account. You would see your items, you will see different products on the Shop app, and then by the lowest part of the screen you can see icons like the home icon, notifications icon, the cart icon, the orders icon, as well as the profile icon. Now, for you to return or cancel an order or initiate a return or request a refund, the major way is to contact the store that you purchased the item from. Yes, you always have the options of contacting the store on the Shop app. So you can contact a store on the Shop app, or by replying to the order confirmation email that you received after placing the order. So, for example, if you made an order and then you would want to cancel it, all you need to do is to go to your orders tab where you will see all of your orders here. And then once you've seen all of the orders there, click on the order, and then you'll be taken to the orders details page. On this page, you'll see the store you got the order from, as well as the name of the owner of the store. Just go ahead and click on the owner's name, and then provide your name, your email, your tracking number, confirmation number, as well as your reason for the return. And then um the store owner would reply to you, and you will definitely be able to return the product. Now, this is what I mean. For example, I'll making use of an item, for example. Now, so this is a denim jumpsuit, and then this is the page where the details about the order is being displayed. So now, as you can see this, once you scroll down, as you can see on my screen, you can see the name of the store. So by scrolling down again, you see the option message fashion freaks. All right, the same way would happen when after ordering this particular product. By the time you click on the orders page, you'll be taken to the page where you can also send a message to the owner of the store. Just go ahead, type out your name, your email, the reason for your cancellation, and then send it to the store. And then a response will be given to you concerning the return policy and the return process. And then if it is more than 30 days since you place an order and you haven't been able to reach the store or the shipping carrier, then the next thing is to report an issue with your order in the Shop app. And how do you report an issue? You can report an issue by contacting the customer support, that is by going to the lower right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and after clicking on your profile icon on the profiles page, you can see your email and all of that. Move to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines, and then amongst the options displayed, you can see the option support there. Just go ahead and click on the customer support and then report your issue. So this is how you can cancel an order on the Shop app. It's very easy and accessible. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.